I'm going to discuss how to install latest version of PowerShell on Windows 11 operating system. So when I open here, when I write PowerShell on the search box, then you can get this one. So this is the pre-install on Windows 11 operating systems of the PowerShell. Now I'm going to check the version. So if I write here PS version table, then you can get PS version is now 5 point something and PS addition. So what I'm trying to do, so I'm going to install the latest version. So for this one, in Google search box right there, download PowerShell. Then you can get here Microsoft sites. You need to click there. After that, click on this download PowerShell. So when you click on the download PowerShell, then our GitHub site that's open, and this place you can see all this all. So here, so many files are there, like this is dev files, RPM, PKG, and I'm using the Windows 11 64-bit operating system. So here, you can see this option is there, PowerShell 7.4 bin, and this all. Okay, and if I scroll down, then you can see this all files. So let's click for Windows 11 64-bit operating systems. So this is the latest version is there, PowerShell 7.34, and if you are using so this is zip file and this is MSI file. The MSI file is used so easy to install, and now I'm going to click this MSI file. So this is downloading. The file size 101 MB. Now you can see this is here tar files, RPM, that's for Linux operating systems, PKG, ARM files, and zip files, and this all are there. So now PowerShell 7.3.4 version download completed. After that, you need to click on this open, okay, and now you can see installation wizard that's come there. Click on next, next. So here, this is for path, this is for Windows. Enable PowerShell remoting, and that's all fine. Click on next. Enable update PowerShell Microsoft. This is recommended, so automatically this will do the update. Click on install. Okay, so please wait while setup is wizard. Install PowerShell. So now this is doing the updating component registration, and this all process copying new files, directory 9 site 6, or current. This is the current status of the PowerShell. So now only few minute times, so it installs successfully. So let's write here power or say or 7 that I just installed, and after that this place, if I write PS version table, so this times you can see here 7.3.4 version that's come there. After that you can perform any kind of operation like checking the location. You can see this is the location here, and after that wanna print hello world. So for this we need to use this command hello world, and like that you can use any command at the PowerShell. So this is a get service VM, and you can see the services there. And the second way to install the PowerShell, you need to go on this Microsoft Store, and it's currently opening. And from this Microsoft Store, you can also get the PowerShell. So you need to search your PowerShell, then you can click on this get, then you can also get the PowerShell from Microsoft Store also. So this is how we can install latest version of the PowerShell on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.